Hello friend, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And this video, we are going to discuss about our positional stock option scanner and monthly view. So monthly scanner, which using our positional strategy. So we have some strategies, positional basis. So based on the strategy, we are trying to find some opportunities by using our just a second. So based on the logic on the positional strategy, so here we are going to discuss, this is the month of March. So we are trying to trade, find the opportunity from the beginning of the month because it is a monthly positional. The data which updated would be still from the 1st of March. So what the logic we are using from the monthly basis, we try to find an opportunity. So we have some logic and the calculations. So based on that, we are trying to find some 1 or 2 opportunities or maximum 3 to 5 opportunities in the basis, right? Basis of positional one. So that is what the logic which we are going to follow with this particular tool, and it is connecting to our strategy. If the don't have someone who don't have a strategy, they can use for some logics that they can use only the scanner purpose, but a student who can use effectively the scanner. Okay, so let me see this month from the beginning onwards, due to what the overall market is keep on moving lower, so that is the reason. So we will be getting a lot of opportunity in a put side. Okay, so let me take some example how it works, and from the beginning of the month. So let me try for a Petronet, which is in the top. 325 is our strike price. So the strike price selection also based on the logic which you are using with the strategy, how we are selecting this particular strike price. So based on the strategy, if you are looking at from 27th February the stock works in the peak. That means the 27th is the last trading day of the February contract. So the next day onwards the March contract is started. So according to this closing price 323, so maybe based on that we find a 325 call as well as put option. So we are going to track this particular stock for the next 1 month. So if any opportunity which we find it out from there, so we can get some positional opportunity. So by using the 325, we are trying for an opportunity. Both the strike price we are going to track. So after that the market, and after from the starting of this month, it is keep on moving lower. So this month from previous closing of that particular thing, so almost the particular stock is moves more than 22%. That is the why the call option not in the list, but put option it increased more than 400%. That is more than 400 times. The 17 is our logical breakout point. It is not a entry point, it is a logical breakout. So where we try to find that breakout when stock reaches that particular level, so we try to find the opportunity. So like Petronet 325 put option. Okay, so we to check whether the option is tradable. 17.7 should be the trigger. Okay, so let me try when it is triggered on the live market or after market, maybe gap up. So that is also we consider 17.7. That should be the breakout. Sorry, this is the call. So sorry, yeah, is that, sorry, it is an end Petro. So we have to check Petronet 325. Petronet 325 put option. The current price is 85. So our breakout which you are looking at 17.7. Okay, 17.7. So I will be marking that. Yeah. So where you can check here after the 1st of February, sorry, 27th February, we are tracking. That is the beginning of the March. We are tracking those strike prices, both call and put. So here it is 27th. It is closed below. That is exactly 8, and the next day it is at almost nearing to that closing hours. So this is easily gettable or easily tradable because it is not going to give you any gap up. and it was giving you the real trade around 1 o'clock. It gives you the trigger points. It touches the trigger points. So this is what the key opportunity where the trigger is happening on monthly positional. Maybe we are checking for the put side, so bearish in the stock. So we will try for a strategy. So if you are naked trader, a high risky trader, they can take a naked position and they will wait for, because if you are holding a position the next day for gap up or gap down, so it may be causing a against effect and it will be giving you a loss. So there is a risky trader can go for a naked position, but edging, we have a edging strategies too on the neck that are long positions of which you have taken either put on call. So like a 2.1 or 3.2 or some other SBB or F4. So a lot of strategies with the edging basis, we can apply any one of the particular strategies there. So after that, next day it was opening somewhere around maybe in the next day itself 52 around 4th March. After that, it was not a liquid because it is a deep in the money. It doesn't have any liquidity at this moment, but it was trading now. Okay, so here almost 85 because of the in the intrinsic value that may be trade, but the active trade may not be happening because most of the people doesn't trade on the deep in the money options. Maybe ATM or OTM they can do, but deep in the money, so always having less, but it can be settled by the it's in an intrinsic value. So that would be the logic. Either any strategy which you are applying here, that is what triggered. Some of the stocks may be BPCL 385. Now you understood the concept. And if you are checking that BPCL Petronet put side, maybe some trigger point would be there, but it could not be able to reach Petronet 325. If I'm just like checking for a call option 325 March. So after the day here, I think this is a 15 minute on daily time frame where I can show you. So here the day 27th, after the particular month open of March, it was 7 and it was keep on moving lower. Now it is almost 0. Okay, so this is doesn't move even higher. So put side, according to the market movement, that was giving you some good breakout, but in this case it doesn't give you any breakout opportunity over and above to that. Okay, so that is what the logic which you are. The same logic we are going to apply on all the FO list. So whatever 212 F1 stocks is there. So both call and put we are tracking here. That is what we are saying. This is a scanner. It is not going to provide you any buy sell tips. It is a scanner about all F1 stocks which scans and applying our strategy. That will be helping you to find out some real-time trade up. Sometimes some stocks may be gap up, gap down. If it is gap up, if your price is not tradable, let me check BPCL 385 put option, right? So our breakout point in this case is 23.2. So after this 23.2, maybe here 22. This one it not tradable. So we didn't consider this would be because you can see that I is 22.2. Next day it opened by 24. The same day it went up to somewhere around 34. So what is our exact breakout point in this trade? As 23.2. So let me 23.2. It is not tradable. So this we consider it is not a active trade because checking that it doesn't give you the trigger. So previous day it is nearing and next day it is above, but it even not retested. So this entry we are not considering as an active entry or valid entry. So this even it came into the radar, so we are avoiding this, or we can't be able to take our breakout point at exactly what we are looking. So that kind of logic we are combining all FO list, and from this we try to find some opportunities. So this is what a monthly positional, and we are updating this monthly data or monthly strikes based on the logic and monthly ones. Okay, so that is what concept of a thing. So based on the two strike prices for entire month, we are tracking. From those two, anyone can be possibly to get an opportunity that we are going to use our strategy. That's a logic which you have applied with this positional stock option scanner on monthly basis. So if you have any questions or a doubt, and if you want to get the scanner also, you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number which is shown on this video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. If you have any other doubts or questions, just comment on the comment box. Thank you.